Over the last decade, IT outsourcing has evolved from a simple business tool into a powerful force driving global competition. From New York to Tokyo, outsourcing is the key to scaling up businesses, speeding up development, and, saving millions of dollars. But what's really behind this market's growth? Let's break it down. Remember when everyone talked about India and China as the top IT outsourcing hubs? Well, things are changing. In 2022, Eastern Europe's outsourcing market hit $30 billion. And that's just scratching the surface. Ukraine, Poland, Belarus, they're stepping into the spotlight. And now Central Asian countries are entering the game too, offering highly skilled talent at unbeatable rates. But here's the kicker: Uzbekistan is making a big play. Here the number of IT outsourcing companies jumped by 158% since the beginning of 2024. Uzbekistan is fast becoming a new tech magnet. So why is the outsourcing map shifting? The answer: technology. It's moving fast. That brings us to the next big trend: automation. It's leveling the playing field for countries that previously didn't have the resources to compete on the global IT stage. AI and automation aren't just buzzwords anymore. In 2023, automation cut IT companies' costs by 23%. And we're only getting started. AI tools like RPA are handling everything from data processing to software testing. What does it mean for outsourcing? Companies that don't jump on the automation bandwagon are going to get left behind. Take China, for example. They're already using AI to speed up software development, cutting project times in half. The US and Europe, they are not far behind. By 2025, McKinsey predicts that automation will be part of 50% of all outsourcing deals. But hold on, if everything gets automated, where does it leave the IT experts? This brings us to another major trend: the rising demand for specialists. As tech becomes more complex, companies are on the hunt for niche experts. Gone are the days when companies looked for jack-of-all-trades developers. Now they want specialists. In 2023, the demand for cloud technology pros jumped by 40%. Big corporations aren't just hiring developers, they are looking for people with deep knowledge in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. And it's not just about cloud computing. Cybersecurity, blockchain, and machine learning experts are among the most sought after right now. In 2023, global spending on cybersecurity outsourcing topped $150 billion, and it's only going to grow. Of course, outsourcing isn't without its challenges. The biggest: competing for talent and managing cybersecurity risks. With more companies entering the market, the battle for top talent is heating up. Right now, talent competition is at all-time high. The best experts can work from everywhere, and companies worldwide are fighting for them. A few years ago, remote work was an outlier. Now it's the new normal. And then there is the issue of cybersecurity. When you outsource your data, you take on extra risks. According to IBM, data breaches in 2022 cost companies an average of $4.35 million. That's why data security is top of mind in IT outsourcing deals. Even with the challenges, outsourcing benefits are undeniable: flexibility, cost savings, and speed. These advantages keep making it the go-to strategy for businesses everywhere. In 2023, global companies slashed over 30% of their IT budgets by outsourcing, and the ability to quickly scale teams up for projects let them stay agile and respond to market changes. Imagine this: a startup needs to launch a mobile app. Instead of wasting months looking for in-house talent, they could hire an outsourcing team and have a ready-to-go app in just a month. So what's next? Outsourcing is going to keep growing, expanding to new regions and adapting new tech. The geography will widen, automation will speed things up, and demand for niche talent will rise. But the real takeaway here is that businesses need to stay flexible and ready to adapt. The future belongs to those who are ready to change. So buckle up. The world of outsourcing is just getting started. What do you think? How do you see the future of IT outsourcing? Drop your thoughts in the comments.